Guys, in the case that you are studying for medicine or for some test, or you would like to learn more about the human body, you need to know this website. It's really, really nice, okay? First thing, go to biodigital.com, click on Get Started for free, fulfill this form or enter it for Google, then complete these steps. You are using for yourself, for your students. You are a student, industry professional, make it easy to visualize the human body. Now you can explore every single part of the body, and you can see live effects to study and understand. You can search right here, for example, just like this. Some are closed, okay? Of course, they have pro plans, okay? And some are open for anyone. There is Human Studio, Launch Male or Launch Female, up to you, BioVR. And there are a couple of options that you can learn from right here, okay? There is premium content and there is also free content, okay? And still, there is a lot of ideas, courses. You can customize model in the case that you want. And here is the result. Nice, right? And you can get some part to paint using some presentation in the case that you want. It's very, very useful in the case that you are a student, okay? Nice, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!